Medical is for working people and rich people only. It is not for people who can't find a job and who are not eligible for Medicare, Medicaid, and welfare. So there's millions of people falling between the cracks. And I know I'm giving up too much of where I live right now, but the state of Georgia is very shitty with what they do. The politicians are fucking shitty. I have no other words for it. Let's go over here to the Georgia Access. So they send you over, I think, to Peach Care or something like that. So there's just this play between the federal website and the state website, and they send you in a big loop and a runaround and don't want to help you actually achieve anything. They'll tell you to go here, go get a job, blah, 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 yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. I don't fucking want to hear you anymore at all. And they've raised the price. So I think it's $9,000. And so then this means that people who are no tax liability are forced into applying for taxes. Now, but I'm not working. That's the whole thing. I can't find a job. I've tried to get self-employment going again. But under the Affordable Care Act last year, they found a plan. So the year they would have gotten $9,000, and then it was a $40 copay for an office visit. So technically, they wanted the $9,000. They didn't want me to actually go to the doctor. So they just wanted the money. They didn't care if I went to the doctor, because they were saying, well, the plan is free. And it's like, okay, well, yeah, I'm sure you get some kind of commission. You're working for one of those companies, and so you probably get some kind of commission for each affordable health care plan that you sell, because you're working for a medical company. You have a job, for crying out loud, selling this garbage, and you know it's a garbage business, and it hinges upon people buying into it. Doesn't this make medical a Ponzi scam related to the Affordable Care Act with the working side of it? The Affordable Care Act, because I know a lot of people were saying Obama should have been impeached when he implemented this, and then they mandated and wanted to force people. It's kind of like mandating the vaccinations. Okay, so I'm still on the Affordable Care Act here, and so I go here, and it's hard to find any plans and prices. It won't even let me put in a zip code. It just comes up as an error.